Hey guys, welcome back to Home Built, and the plan today is to get the rest of the bits of the body painted up for the 680. Alright, so as you saw last week, the body of the car is now looking pretty good, but I've still got to get through. I've got the front bumper, the front and rear bars, the rear wing and wheel arch flares and mirrors and stuff to paint, so I'm going to get into that now. And yeah, see if we can get the last of the bits sort of painted up and the bulk of the painting finished completely today. That would be great. Another great tip, thank you to a couple of you guys who commented that apparently these mirrors, these lenses just unscrew. So that would have been good to know last week. But in any case, oh, how easy is that? I can take them apart and get the paint on them properly. So I've got all these things all rubbed back, they're all looking really good. So now I'm going to go through and just do the quick little bits of spot putty where they're needed. Alright, so my plan today is to go through and work my way through all the bits, paint them all in base coat, set them each set aside, then go through at the end and clear everything in one hit. So I need to mix up one lot of clear, I only have to do that once. So to start with, I've cleaned up these the bars front and rear. Time to get in and I'll show you what colour I'm going to do the bars. So I know a lot of you have been waiting to see what colour I'm going to be doing the rest of the bits and pieces. I'm doing a couple of different colours on the car. Basically, my theory is everything that was going to be chrome is going to be done now in this nice gunmetal grey colour. So that's my sort of thing. So my plan is to go through and even do the window frames and any chrome bits. Gunmetal is the plan for this car. So that's the first colour. So let's get on these bumpers. Alright, the front bars are done. Now it's time to do the lower apron. So that's in the blue, so I'm getting that out. Some of you were concerned that the blue may not match the rest of the car, but because it is separated by the bumper and stuff anyway, I wasn't too concerned. It's going to be a very close match. Just if you were doing, you couldn't do the door and the front guard separately because it would just stand out like crazy. This is on different angles and I'm not concerned, so let's get some blue on. Alright, last round. The front bar is out. These are the last bits. I'm going to clean them up now. These are actually going metallic black. I know a few of you wanted me to do matte black on them. I hate matte paint on any exterior of any car. It's just my personal preference. To me, it looks like you paint it in the garage, although that's what I'm actually doing. But it looks like you paint it in the garage, you don't care, you just like slap it up and chuck it on the car. To me, that always looks horrible. You can't polish it. Gloss to me always looks like it's done professionally. Matte looks like it's amateur. That might make me old and out of touch, but that's the way I like it. So in any case, so these things are going black, so I'm going to clean them up now, get some nice metallic black on there, and then I should be able to move everything back in and clear it. Damn it! Looks like we will not be painting the wing today. It's split all the way along the edge. I just tried to catch it then. Prep soling it while it's hanging up precariously, just looped through and it swung and it... Anyway. So annoying. It's all repairable. It's not a big deal, but it's just annoying. Now I'm going to have to like cut it and epoxy it or something to try and get it to... I don't want to rush it. I'll sit it aside. I've got other bits I've got to paint black anyway, so this can wait for now. Let's keep going with these bits, get some paint on them, get everything cleared, and at least we'll get something done today. All right, now everything has got a coat of paint on it. I've moved everything back in the booth. I'm just going to run over it all with the tack rag just quickly, just to make sure there isn't any dust that's built up on it. Hit it with some clear and we should be done. So have a look. I've got a small run just here. It's a little one there. Same on the other side, I think, in the same spots, just sort of a couple of little tiny runs, but the rest of it looks really good. The bumpers look fantastic. Nice, beautiful gunmetal grey, and all of these look nice and glossy. I am quite happy. Mirrors look great. So, yeah, more bits painted. That is fantastic. Besides dropping the wing, which is really frustrating, we're really getting there. Most of the bits are painted. We've got a few more bits and pieces to gather together and paint, but we're getting there. Then we can start assembly. I'm looking forward to that. But in any case, it's definitely time for Fun Facts with Mrs. Jeff.
Hey guys, the 1987 Bathurst 1000 became a short-lived World Touring Car Championship round, where European teams competed against local Aussie teams. This ended up being problematic, with the culture clash causing considerable angst. Since the start of Group A in Australia, CAMS scrutineers diligently applied the Group A regulations as they were written. On the other hand, FISA, under the FIA, applied more liberal interpretations of the rules, which had already been negotiated back home. Most prominently, it was the Ford Europe-backed Eggenberger Motorsport who ran questionable vehicles. The true winners of the race still remains in question, but on the day it was the two Eggenberger Ford Sierras who finished in first and second place, although they were disqualified months later due to bodywork irregularities. The win was therefore awarded to Peter Brock, who crossed the line third in his VLSS Commodore. This would be his record 9th and final win at the mountain.
All right, another day down and more stuff is painted. I know I did drop that wing, so I'm going to have to fix it. But I've since remembered I've got to do the tail lights around and things like that anyway. So there's a few more little bits and pieces to paint. But we're really getting there. I'm so looking forward to starting to put this thing back together and just bolt it up.
It's getting exciting.
It's actually getting interesting. There's hopefully not a lot of sanding left. But there is still more sanding.
As their famous last words. Just stay tuned to see what else Jeff Rexon breaks on his... Yeah. Anyway.
The more I break, the more I have to sand.
I hope you're enjoying the videos. If you are, please like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Also, you can help us out if you'd like to. We have merchandise available for purchase, t-shirts, coffee cups.
All that good stuff.
And you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and that's it.
And here.
And of course here, obviously.
YouTube.
I was thinking there's a fourth thing, but no.
All right, guys.
Bye, guys.
See ya.
Short-lived World Touring Car Championship. Okay. Don't know if I can. I feel we shouldn't take on too much tonight. Already been here for a long time. Eggenberger Ford Siestas.
You need a siesta.
I do.